In this video I'll show you how I ran the flue pipe from the log burning stove to the outside of the container. I'll also show you how I insulated internally. When I first installed the flue on the log burning safe, I cut a 6-inch hole and secured the stainless steel flue pipe. I put some red high temperature silicone around the junction and I thought I was going to be okay. Unfortunately, the joint would perish and water started to drip down the gap. To fix this, I bought some right angle aluminium and used a lot of silicone to build a barrier around the flue exit hole. This directs any surface water that's blown sideways onto the container roof and keeps it off the junction. I then purchased a rubber flue boot. This resists the high temperatures and just slides over the flue pipe. The combination of the silicone barrier and the rubber boot has produced a weather-tight seal that I'm very happy with. Where the flue exits the ColourBond roof, I put a simple diverter that steers water around the side of the pipe. I needed to make some space behind the stove so I could put in a stud wall and some insulation. I removed a couple of layers of the bricks in order to get to the cement board underneath the fire. I scored along the brick line and folded up the cement board. It snapped reasonably neatly across the line. This will give me a level surface again. I've insulated with fiberglass instead of polyester. I think this will be less flammable. I put a second layer of insulation and I reversed it. This will double the thickness and give me silver on either side. So here it is, ready for the sheeting. I've used a thinner cement fibre board instead of wood behind the fire. I used billet board for the ceiling panels around the heat shroud, and for extra safety I left the insulation out. So here's the finished product. This log burning safe has been a tremendous success. It's keeping us very warm. This topic is covered in part 1 and 2 of the ebooks How to Build an Off-Grid Shipping Container House. Subscribe to follow more of our adventure, and if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. You can see the ebooks in more detail at buildshippingcontainerhouse.com, where you can purchase your own copy. Thanks for watching. For information on the ebook, go to buildshippingcontainerhouse.com. To follow our progress, subscribe on YouTube, or you can follow us on containerhouse.wordpress.com.